Hi guys, my name is Yash. I'm a AC-based certified business analyst, and today let's continue with our sixth question. Okay, is of our business analyst interview series. So, what if the interviewer asks, "What do you know about CRUD?" CRUD or CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete, which are the four basic operations performed on data in any system. As a business analyst, I use CRUD to define how users interact with data and to ensure that all necessary data operations are clearly captured, especially while designing functional specifications or data flows. In my CraftCart project, I applied CRUD while defining features like product and order management. For examples, sellers can create and update product listings. Customers can read or view product details, and the system updates order status at different stages, while certain actions like deleting orders are restricted based on business rules. Overall, CRUD helps in ensuring complete and structured data handling within the system. So, right here, as you can see, CRUD is create, read, update, and delete. Okay, and if I give you a very easy real life example of CRUD, I think if you take for example online shopping app like CraftCart, okay? So create would be user creates an account, okay? Read would be user views product details after creating the account, user views product details. Then update would be user changes delivery address. For example, if user has decided to buy a product, and then there are options like you give your number and your address, right? So for example, user updates the delivery address if there is already an address out there which the user had updated when it was created. So now it's updated, right? And then user removes item from the cart if the user doesn't like a specific item. So user deletes the item from the cart. So CRUD basically represents the four basic data operations in any application. It basically helps us understand how users create, view, modify, and delete data in a system. So I hope you understand. In CraftCart also you see sellers can create, and update product listing. So what sellers are doing, basically they are creating whatever products they have put in their website. For example, in CraftCart's seller website, so they can update the listings, they can create new listings. Customers can read or view product details, whatever sellers has uh, created and you know made product listings, updated product listings. Customers can read or view that product listings, right? And the system updates order status at different stages. For example, if the customer has chose to add a certain product to the cart, so the order status changes, with time. So certain actions like deleting orders are restricted based on business rules. That's true. Yeah, sometimes there are some issues. So, but removing from the cart is also kind of deleting. So yeah, that's that. So what CRUD, that is create, read, update, delete. Remember this term, create, read, update, delete. And it's basically it's how users interact with the data, you know. So it's to define how users interact with the data. Remember, it's to define how users interact with the data and to ensure that all new necessary data operations are clearly captured in the requirements, especially while designing functional specification or data flows. So I hope you guys understand what is CRUD, okay? And thank you so much for watching.